Sports facilities of DIU. Do you know that Daffodil International University has announced the Athlete Scholarship? DIU has the objective to contribute to developing the sports industry through evolving the skilled, talented athletes so that they can explore their talents as well as get an opportunity to attend the highest education as well. To achieve the mission, DIU has also developed the strategies, policies, and infrastructure in such a way which ensures contribution in the national economy, national building and national branding through sports, higher education scopes for talented rising sports star, identifying the sports star for Bangladesh sports industry. How is DIU doing it? If you are a student athlete planning to play sports in university, considering the academics, campus culture, and financial aid in addition to the athletics program, then DIU is the best overall fit. DIU is the only university in Bangladesh which is known as the University of Future for its visionary approaches in all the academic and leaders' development efforts. On one hand, the university is producing tech-savvy, competent graduates, and on the other hand, preparing its students for multidisciplinary careers which are yet to arrive. Moreover, the university has the top-class sports infrastructure to fulfill the desire of sports people and sports as a whole. DIU has the following sports facilities to nurture the future: indoor-outdoor sports facilities for male and female, special physiological center, gymnasium, counseling center, national player as instructor, set policies and procedure to support the athlete to continue their career in sports, practicing facilities. Besides, DIU has the cricket board, players from national team, experience in organizing and participating in international games, proven track record of success in national and international sports, experience in organizing and hosting different sports events. Most importantly, a green, beautiful campus with rich infrastructure, hostel facilities, green garden facilities to get a true impression of club culture in the sports world, and as a whole, a special assigned team to nurture the talents and keep track of their performance, progress in academic tasks and sports. Scholarship and financial benefits. National players from any background or event may get full free studentship. Premier Division player from any background or event will get 90% tuition fee waiver excluding other fees until special consideration or recommendation is made. First Division player from any background or event will get 80% tuition fee waiver excluding other fees until special consideration or recommendation is made. For more information, you may visit https://daffodilversity.edu.bd/scholarship. So if you are student athletes and you have interest to avail international standard education with scholarship, there are opportunities. You are highly encouraged to connect with us shortly to grab the opportunity. Or you can also talk to our counselors and have a visit to the campus to make sure that you are moving toward your goals. Follow these tips for a smooth admission process. To get proper information and guidance on the rules of recruitment, plan ahead for DIU eligibility, raise your GPA, be original in your application essays. Visit the website